guys, I'm gonna brand new video about Space Rug.
Yo, what is up guys? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all having a fantastic day as always. I am in a great mood today, and last night was a very special moment because I streamed on Twitch for the very first time, and it was pretty successful. Actually guys, it wasn't very successful. And by that I mean the stream kept going offline and I kept getting a bunch of internet problems, so I'm definitely getting that fixed because I haven't much time to stream for like an hour and a half. I actually took a dub on Fortnite on stream, but when I won the game, the whole stream got shut offline. But don't worry, I'm talking with a bunch of people right now to get that fixed. So if you don't follow me on Twitch, it's twitch.tv/rug. I'm going to be streaming every single day when I get this whole problem situated. But it is so much fun. You guys were killing it. Like, my chat was going insane right when I started streaming, and that's just the power of the Rug, guys. So if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, my name is FaZe Rug, and I upload some lit videos. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Become a Rug today. And boys, I have a great video planned for today. I will explain it in a second. We got the NBA playoffs rolling right now. Milwaukee and Boston in the first round. Which team do you guys have taking the whole entire thing? I'm thinking it's going to be the Cavs. Let me know in the comment section down below who you think is going to win the NBA Finals this year. Hey, Mama Rug in the cut.
Morning, coffee.
Hey guys, look at this mug. I made this in screen printing class, so it's me and my brother, Bosley, and my beautiful mom and my dad for Christmas. Was that the best Christmas gift or what?
Of course. Anything from my
I'm actually going to the mall. But, I was going to say, I feel like you haven't been in my vlog in a long time.
You know, I miss you, Rugrat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, where's Papa Rose? Dad, what are you doing all the way over there?
He's walking the dog. The dog is...
Guys, Bosley literally has no chill. Anytime we want to walk him, he walks us. He tells us where to go. There was this trend on YouTube not too long ago where the owners have their dogs walk them. That's a trend for us every day because Bosley does what
later what's more. And right now.
Oh, dude.
Marinara sauce, New York buffalo sauce, California ranch, and Texas honey barbecue, all for $12. And that's my set. So pizza, and like a plate full of slices. So it could be, you can dip your pizza only at Pizza Hut. So what do you think of the Chachos? $12.99, you get this big, huge thing with the dipping sauces. So let's try this out. This is great for you're watching baseball games.
Now we stop there. We're doing another video.
$12.99. Look at you get dipping sauce. So let's try marinara sauce here. Look at this. Let's try this out. It went up and up and out of the ballpark.
Right there, right there. Oh. Alright, go. Penal.
This is
the harsh reality for Daniel Bryan. And now Ambrose and Reigns
yeah, for you guys. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna make you watch for 1 minute.
beach. Oh. Oh, damn. Oh, it's the winner. Oh, damn. No.
And we stop right there, and right now we will make a brand new video about eating or something. So we were back.
Damn.
I'm gonna let my brother. You know my brother Pinky. Sometimes I say like, the next thing is
Yeah.
because I say this. Okay, right now we're doing like something cool. Yeah. Say hello. He said hi. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna make sure. Look.
I have to admit that something that I still don't fully understand. This idea of
Don't close the door. I'm gonna.
for good hand
No. Right now, my brother pranked me. He scared me right now. And my brother pranked me. After that, right now, he got my butt and he got my. Right now, we're gonna make a video about we are eating. Wanna go eat? Okay.
To try for the first time taking a bullet from a 22 caliber rifle that I'm gonna operate myself.
Wanna go eat?
Eh?
Wanna go eat?
Ăn biết đây hả? Ăn cái gì? Second post, second post.
Hijo, no hay nada, ¿verdad? ¿No? Mm. Huh? So, for the black mask food?
Okay.
So, the black mask. No, right? And the cheek. A little bit, a little bit. And the cheek, so a little bit, ¿verdad? No, no, really, ¿verdad? The matter you feel, you see, pienso que yo sostén, que no te ayude, ¿verdad? So te lleve, ¿verdad? ¿Sientes?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm end this video right now. When this
Penal. That you right there.
That's like
Oh, outside.
I have to go somewhere. I'm just gonna put you something.
keep your arm on the camera, make sure that dot doesn't move.
I'm gonna get you, but I'm just gonna put you something.
Yep. Off center.
I'm gonna go charge you the phone.
Make sure it's glowing. Up slightly.
That's it.
Right there, right there. No.
No.
Right there.
Still off.
No. Right there.
Right now, I'm gonna put something because because I have to go somewhere right now.
Right there. Glowing. Right there.
Triple sound.
Wow. Punch. Wow.
Triple sound.
Wow. Wow, that's like
You have a side that's safer. Go out of state, now she's in and you can That's why they say what is on your side. Just kill you and be done with it. Time to play the game. Time to play the game. It's all about the game and how you play it. All about control. And if you can take it, all about your debt. And if you can pay it, it's all about pay. Who's gonna make it? I am the game. You don't wanna play me. I am control. No way you can shake me. I am heavy debt. No way you can pay me. I am the pain, and I know you can't take me. Look over your shoulder, ready to run like a Cleveland bitch from a smoking gun. I am the game, and I may lose. So move on out of here and die like a fool. Trying to figure out what my mood's gonna be. Come on over, sucker, why don't you ask me? Don't you forget there's a price you can pay. 'Cause I am the game, and I want to play.
Because everybody from the web. You see me? É assim? É assim? What are you doing? That's mine. It's in my little box. We got Panda here. See, we got Panda. We got another box of Panda. I'm gonna eat at 10 o'clock, 9. I'm gonna eat at 10 o'clock or 9. I'm gonna eat it and you will see. Okay, then I'll put it back. No, in a minute. That's yours? That's yours.